Hey friends, Mr. Rocco here for Heartfelt Impressions Learning Center, and today for our activity we are going to make bubbly fire. Woo! The items that you're going to need for this activity are a bowl, 3 clear cups, but let's count them to make sure we got them all. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to need white distilled vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, yellow and red, a spoon, water, because when there's a fire, what do we use to put out the fire? Water. And if you want to, you can use tape, a piece of paper, and a gray colored pencil, crayon, or marker to make smoke for your cup. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make smoke for my cup. Just a couple squiggly lines. That's my version of smoke. Then I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to tape it to one of the cups. Next, I'm going to put the cup that I just put the smoke on into my bowl. Next, I'm going to put some white distilled vinegar into a cup. And the reason why we grabbed the food coloring is because we're going to create fire. What color is fire? It's orange, but I don't have orange. So we're going to take red food coloring and yellow food coloring because that's going to create orange. So we're going to take a few drops of red, put it in the vinegar, and then we're going to put a few drops of yellow into the vinegar. And then that's where you need the spoon to mix it all up. It still kind of looks red from there, but it's orange. Next, we're going to take the baking soda and put some baking soda in this cup. Then we're going to put the vinegar in this cup along with the baking soda, and hopefully we'll make some bubbly fire. Whoa! We need to put it out. Whew! Safe. So the core notes you guys are going to hit for this activity are numbers and counting, experimenting and predicting, art, and writing. I hope you guys enjoyed that activity, and we'll see you for another one.